Futuristic ships sailing through digital waves. The maritime industry is undergoing a massive transformation. From self-sailing ships to eco-friendly energy solutions, marine engineering is shaping the future of transportation. Stay with us as we explore 5 game-changing innovations revolutionizing the seas. Imagine a ship that sails across oceans without a crew. Autonomous ships use advanced AI and sensors to navigate safely and efficiently. Companies like Rolls-Royce and Yara Birkeland are already making fully automated vessels a reality. Meet the Yara Birkeland, the world's first fully autonomous and electric container ship. Green energy-powered ships. It's a solar-powered cargo ship with wind-assisted propulsion. With rising environmental concerns, the shipping industry is shifting towards greener energy solutions. Solar panels, wind sails, and LNG-powered engines are reducing carbon emissions and making maritime transport more sustainable. The MS Roald Amundsen, a hybrid electric cruise ship, is cutting fuel consumption and emissions significantly. MART engine monitoring system, the digital dashboard displaying real-time ship engine diagnostics. Breakdowns at sea can be costly. That's why smart engine monitoring systems are revolutionizing marine engineering. These IoT-powered technologies track fuel consumption, detect malfunctions, and optimize ship performance in real time. The Wärtsilä Genius Services platform provides real-time monitoring to enhance fuel efficiency and engine health. 3D printing in shipbuilding, a robotic arm printing a ship component using 3D printing technology. Building a ship takes months, but what if we could print ship parts instantly? 3D printing is transforming shipbuilding by reducing production time, cutting costs, and minimizing material waste. The U.S. Navy now uses 3D prints spare parts for ships, eliminating delays in traditional supply chains. Advanced anti-fouling coating. It's a close-up of a ship's hull coated with futuristic anti-fouling technology. Ships lose efficiency when marine organisms accumulate on their hulls. But thanks to advanced anti-fouling coatings, we can prevent biofouling, reduce drag, and improve fuel efficiency. Silicone-based coatings like those from AkzoNobel can cut fuel use by up to 10%. A futuristic port with high-tech ship's docking. The future of marine engineering is here. These 5 innovations are making ships smarter, greener, and more efficient. Which of these breakthroughs excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content on maritime technology.